Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the laptop and installing the Authenticator environment. First, make sure your OS allows apps and install an Android emulator like BlueStacks or use an official desktop client if provided. Once done, sign into your Google account and open security settings, then two-step verification. You're starting the pairing now. This avoids delays later. Make sure to keep your phone handy in case you need existing codes during setup, so you don't lock yourself out. Now link your Google account to the Authenticator running on the laptop. In the two-step verification panel, choose Authenticator app and click Setup to show the QR code. Inside the emulator's Authenticator, select Scan a QR code. If the emulator can't access your webcam, choose Enter a provided key instead. Once the account appears, copy a fresh 6-digit code from the app and paste it into Google's confirmation field. This verifies the pairing and creates a persistent token for future logins. Finish by saving backup codes and naming the Authenticator entry so you know it's the laptop. Test the setup immediately by signing out and signing back in using the generated code. If a code is rejected, check the emulator's system clock. Time drift breaks top. Adjust the clock or use the app's resync option, then try again. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account. Make sure you keep a phone-based backup or printed recovery codes in a safe place to avoid lockout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.